this session, let us learn about HTML encoding character set. HTML encoding character sets. To display an HTML page correctly, your browser must know which character set you use. From ASCII to UTF-8, ASCII was the first character encoding standard. ASCII defined 1 to 8 different characters that could be used on the internet. Numbers 0, 9, English letters, and A to Z, and some special characters like dollar, plus, minus, brackets, at, less or minus. ISO 88591 was the default character set of HTML4. This character set supported 2 different character codes. HTML4 also supported UTF-8. ANSI Windows 1252 was the original Windows character set. ANSI is identical to ISO 88591, except the ANSI has 32 extra characters. The HTML5 specification encourages web developers to use the UTF-8 character set, which covers almost all of the characters and the symbols in the world. See here: space, exclamation marks, quotation marks, number sign, dollar sign, person sign, ampersand, apostrophe, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, asterisk, plus sign, comma, hyphen, minus, full stop, solidus, digit 0, digit 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 4, digit 5, digit 6, digit 7, digit 8, digit 9, colon, semicolon, less than sign, equal sign, greater than sign, question mark, commercial at, Latin capital letter A, Latin capital letter B, Latin capital letter C, letter E, letter F, Latin Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, left square bracket, reverse solidus, right square bracket, circumflex accent, low line, grave accent, Latin small letter A, small letter B, small letter D, small letter E, small letter F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, left curly bracket, vertical line, right curly bracket, tiled. Euro sign, not used, single low 9 quotation mark, Latin small letter F with hook, double low 9 quotation mark, horizontal ellipse, dagger, double dagger, modify letter circumflex accent, per mile sign, Latin capital sign, letters S with caron, single left pointing angle quotation mark, Latin capital ligature OE, not used, Latin capital letter Z with caron, not used, single quotation mark, right single quotation mark, left double quotation mark, right double quotation mark, bullet, M dash, small tilde, trademark sign, Latin small letter S with caron, single right pointing angle quotation mark, Latin small ligature OE, not used, Latin small letter Z with caron, Latin capital letter Y with diaresis, no break space, inverted exclamation mark, cent sign, pound sign, currency sign, AN sign, broken bar, section sign, diaresis, copyright sign, feminine ordinal indicator, left point double angle quotation mark, not sign, soft hyphen, register sign, macron, degree sign, plus minus sign, superscript 2, superscript 3, acute accent, micro sign, pilcrow sign, middle dot, cedilla, superscript 1, masculine order indicator, right pointing double angle quotation mark, vulgar fraction 1/4, vulgar fraction 1/2, vulgar fraction 3/4, inverted question mark, Latin capital letter A with grave, Latin capital letter A with acute, Latin capital letter A with circumflex, Latin capital letter A with tilde, Latin capital letter A with diaresis, Latin capital letter A with ring above, Latin capital letter AE, Latin capital C with cedilla, Latin capital E with grave, Latin capital E with acute, Latin capital E with circumflex, E with diaresis, I with grave, I with acute, I with circumflex, I with diaresis, letter E with N with tilde, O with grave, O with acute, O with capital letter O with circumflex, capital letter O with tilde, O with diaresis, multiplication sign, capital letter O with stroke, U with grave, U with acute, U with circumflex, U with diaresis, Y with acute, Latin capital letter tone, small letter sharp S, small letter A acute, A with circumflex, A with tilde, A with diathesis, A with ring above, A with small letter AE, C with cedilla, C with E with grave, E with acute, E with circumflex. Like this, can give the codes like this. The HTML character set attributes. To display an HTML page correctly, your browser must know the character set used in the page. It is specified in the name meta tag. Meta character set UTF-8. Difference between character sets. The following table displays the differences between the character sets and described above. See here, the SKG character set. SK uses the values from 0 to 31 and 127 for control characters. SK uses the values from 30 to 126 for letters, digits and symbols. ASCII does not use the values from 128 to 255. The ANSI character set Windows 1252. ANSI is identical to ASCII for the values from 0 to 127. ANSI has property set of characters for the values from 128 to 159. ANSI is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. The ISO 88591 character set. The ISO 88591 character set is to SKG for the values from 0 to 127. It does not use the values from 128 to 159. It is identical to UTF-8 for the values from 160 to 255. UTF-8 character set. UTF-8 is identical to SKG for the values from 0 to 127. It does not use the values from 128 to 159. It is identical to both ANSI and 8851 for the values from 160 to 255. Continues from the value to which is with the more than 10,000 different characters. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 51 character set. In next video let us learn about another topic, URL encode.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.